losing trade today on the Nasdaq. Basically, coming into the market, my bias was bearish due to the fact that we swept the previous day low and we're inside the daily bearish fair value gap. So I'm gonna just use the replay button here, guys. So coming into the day around 10 o'clock, and if you go on the daily chart, you can see that we swept the previous day high, and the market is inside this bearish gap right here. So once I see that, I drop down to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour chart, nothing caught my high, right? Except this fair value gap, which I already highlighted from last week. And I dropped to the 1 hour. So what I noticed on the 1 hour is that we also have this tiny bearish imbalance here, and price has just tapped into that also. So I'm just gonna change the color. Change the color of that to a little bit orangish. And I dropped to the 15-minute chart. And once I drop to the 15-minute chart, as you can see, it matches perfectly well with the 1 hour imbalances. And once I see that, and what I did was drop down to the 1 minute chart, and I dropped to the 1 minute, and you guys can see we have this move leg up, which was I think was the manipulation into that gap. And you guys can see here we have the move leg up, and we have the market structure shift to the downside. So once you have that market structure shift, I was anticipating price to tap in inside this fair value gap here and take inside that 1 minute fair value gap, since we tap into that 15 minutes and we have the market structure shift to the downside. Let me change that color for you guys. So right here. So I was able to get in right here and putting my stop above here. As you can see, I was looking for something like this, right? Price could stop me above that high, and I was looking for those. My first target was this low right here, and being able to like trail the rest to the terminus, right? So after I see that I got in there, then once I got in the market, I'm gonna replay it for you guys also, you guys can see. Mm, So let me replay it for you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys when I got in. So this is me anticipating the trade here, guys. So I was expecting market to come back up, tap that fair value gap, and we're gonna like have a sell lower. So the market was tapping. Okay, at this point I got tapped in, and I was expecting price to, have a little retracement, and especially that we have this balanced price range right here. I wasn't even expecting price to come all the way up here, since we already have this balance right here, right? But as you guys can see, the market tapped in, going up and come back down to break even. And in a few minutes, you guys gonna see that our gas stopped out. Yeah, once we close right there, that is when I get stopped out the market. Which was I accept my losses. I accept my losses there since we get stopped out, and that's how I lost over $2,000 today. I hope you guys find this insightful. And also, guys, risk management is the key to longevity in the market. Make sure you guys follow your rules. As every day, as I said, thank you guys so much, and make sure you guys subscribe.